Today, we're going to talk about GDPR and what it means to you and your organization. Let's start with the basics. GDPR stands for General Data Protection Regulation. It's a data privacy law that originated in the European Union, and it was made enforceable beginning May of 2018. A note of caution: just because you may be in the United States or work for a US-based company, that doesn't mean that you are immune from the provisions of GDPR. The EU has fulfilled their promise of imposing hefty fines on any organization that doesn't ensure compliance with GDPR mandates. Some of the steps to be compliant include: you must obtain user consent to gather data, and those terms of consent must be clear. You must notify customers and possibly data controllers, if you have one, of any data breaches within 72 hours. You must provide users data access if requested. The scope of potential data subject access requests is legally very broad, and the time for response has been reduced to 30 days. Customers have the right to be forgotten, and you must comply if your customer has asked for their personal data to be erased. Users also have the right to own their data, and they must be able to obtain it and reuse it in an environment outside of your organization. Companies must design their systems with the proper security protocols right from the beginning. And finally, some organizations may need to appoint a data protection officer, or DPO. If you're not compliant, you're subject to fines ranging from 20 million euros up to 4% of your organization's annual revenue, whichever amount is larger. The GDPR law is long and complex, and you should educate yourself as much as possible so you don't end up like Andrew over here. Andrew's startup specialized in dog walking and yard cleanup services for busy working people. His site was up and running quickly, and 5 years later he had over 70 employees in 4 cities. By then, Andrew had gone through 2 cloud platforms and 3 customer management and accounting systems, and his company made nearly as much revenue from selling customer data for advertising as from its monthly fees. Then Andrew suffered a data breach, which by law he had to report. When his customers found out, 10 of them filed data subject access requests. They demanded complete details of all personal data Andrew had collected and everyone he had shared it with over the past 5 years. 5 customers canceled their service and invoked their right to be forgotten under GDPR. Andrew had 30 days to comply, but he had no idea how to answer the access request or to prove he was able to honor the right to be forgotten mandate. 3 months and a huge legal bill later, he was finally able to comply. For the breach and slow compliance, Andrew's company was fined 150,000 euros, far less than the maximum of 20 million he could have faced. But because of the fine and bad publicity, Andrew had to lay off half of his team and put off plans to grow further. Now, all of this may sound extreme, but GDPR deliberately has no exceptions for small businesses. While Andrew would never be fined £183 million, as a large airline just was for their data breach, even a relatively small fine can put many companies out of business forever. So how can Veeam help? Veeam lets our customers put their backup data to use for much more than just recovery. Veeam customers can mount their backup data easily for search, security, testing, or for data compliance purposes. With Veeam, Andrew would have had an up-to-date historical record of all his customers' data, searchable with the compliance tool of his choice. And with Veeam, Andrew could have backed up that data right out of the cloud so that he always had a copy available, even when he changed cloud providers. Veeam customers can also take advantage of our staged restore capability, which lets them perform automated operations on data as it's restored. With Veeam, Andrew could have tested and been ready when hit with a right to be forgotten request. And of course, Veeam backup and replication leads the industry in enabling the availability and recovery of virtual workloads through its robust set of features and functionality. With Veeam, Andrew's growing business would have been safe every step of the way. To learn more about GDPR and how Veeam can help, contact us today.